If you want to transfer data from your old phone to OnePlus 15R, here's what you can do. So on the OnePlus 15R, we have an app that is called Clone Phone. This is a pre-installed app that can be used to transfer data. Now, if your old phone is OnePlus, Oppo, Realme, or something similar, then you probably have a similar app, so you don't have to download it. But if you have any other Android, or if you have an iPhone, then in that case you will have to actually get the app from the Play Store or the App Store. So you can simply search for the Clone Phone on the Play Store, and then you can search for the OnePlus app over here. There's actually the ColorOS app, which should work as well, because it is essentially the same app. This one is just named for OnePlus. So I'm gonna use actually this one in this case. So let's install the app on your old device if needed, and then we're gonna open it. In the meantime, on OnePlus 15R, we can select that this is the new device. We need to grant the access to all necessary things, all necessary permissions. There we go. Now over here, we can choose what is our previous device. As you can see, Oppo, Realme, or OnePlus belongs to the same category. Other Androids requires you to download the app, and so does the Apple smartphone. So in this case, I'm gonna choose Other Android, and you will get the QR code, which you can of course scan in order to get the app. But in our case, we were actually ahead, and we just have downloaded the app anyway. There we go. So now we should be able to open the app once it is done. There we go. Let's press agree and continue. We need to grant all the necessary permissions, so make sure to do so. Now we can press start migration, or you want to select that this is your old device, of course. So once again, grant all the necessary permissions, and then you should be able to scan the QR code. So let's do so. And we should be able to connect. If needed, we have the option to connect manually. Now we are preparing the data. So once it is prepared, you should be able to choose whatever you want to transfer. So this includes contacts, messages, call logs, pictures, videos, music, documents, and all the apps. You can actually tap on apps in order to choose which apps you want to transfer. And then once you are ready, you can just tap on next, and then just wait for the data to be transferred. The more data you have, the longer it will take, of course, to transfer everything. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.